Okay, so we are covering dope sheet. So today we are gonna see an animation which we can use for title animation and kind of simulation, dynamics. Okay, for those kind of things we can use. Okay, so what I'll do,
Yes.
create type. We have to create a 3D text. Okay, for this. First, what I'm doing, create type. Click on the type. Okay, now we got a 3D text here. Okay, a 3D text. So now what I'll do, I have to, means you just type whatever text you want. Now I just type the Kingdom of Switzerland. Okay, so then you can define font size you want bigger, smaller. 20 is fine for me, or else even 10 is also fine. 10 is also fine for me. Tracking is nothing but giving space over here. Let this be 0. Kerning, leading, and all, it's fine. This you know what it is. Okay. Okay, fine. This is what we have created. So generator, geometry, how do you want curve and all? It will define. Okay. So the type of curve it will define. Curve resolution, if I increase, so more curves will be there. Lesser curve, this is output. More curve you have, you will get a smoother. Collinear angle, distance. Okay. So what type of extrusion you want? Like these are the other things you can just check this. Okay. So just type bevel and all. You can try. So if I try this bevel, this other bevel output is different. Let it be something like this. This is good. Okay, now done. So we have created a text. So what I'll do, modify. Okay, let's do one thing. Let me select this. Let me move this somewhere here. Okay, and first thing, everything is combined. I will be selecting this. Go to mesh, separate. You do separate. Once you do separate, all these are individual. So this is an individual. This is an individual. So what I'll do, select everything. Now okay, let's see. I need to combine this. This and this has to be combined. So mesh combine, combine. Then this and this has to be combined. Okay. Then everything is individual. D, F, O. Yeah, everything is individual. Now select all this. Modify freeze transform. Modify center pivot. Edit, delete by type, history. Now everything, the pivot point is in the center. Means everything for each and every object. Now this is converted as individual objects in the center. Okay, got it. Now what I'll do, frame number 120, frame 120, I will give a set key here. Frame 120. Okay, let me select everything. Frame 120, S. Press S. So I have done a set key. Okay. So now frame 80, frame 80, what I'll do, I'll just move it back, set key, or even you can move this. Okay, so either 80 or it's okay here. So let's say I'm just moving here. So 80, frame 80, it is keyed here. uh, 70 I'll come, I'll just place it here, set key, and one, frame number 1, I'm just placing it here, set key. So what is the type of animation is happening now? Now let's say I'm gonna create one plane. Let's say I'm gonna create one plane a bit down. So let me place my camera here. Let me turn off the grid. I don't want to see the grid. Okay. Now let's play this. So we have this sort of output. See, text is, text is falling and it's coming towards camera. Okay, let me bring my camera here also. Okay, okay. Now what I'll do, this I'm looking through a perspective camera, right? View, select camera. I'm looking through perspective camera. So go to view, select camera. In frame number 1, just press S. I'm selecting perspective camera. And frame number 1, press yes, so that even if I'm somewhere here and if I click here, the frame is freezed. Okay, see, while I do something, working like this, so when you click here, the camera is freezed for that purpose. Then you click outside, no problem. Now the actual work starts. These are the individual objects which has been animated. Now go to Windows, Animation Editor, Dope Sheet. You have to go to Windows, Animation Editor, Dope Sheet. Now click on this Dope Sheet. This is how it looks. See, these are the individual surface, poly surface, 1, 2, 3, like that it has been named here. Okay, there are 23 surfaces there. All the surface has been named. All the names are here. Okay, now let me enlarge this window. Okay, now can you see these black lines? These are individual object and these are individual keys. These are individual key. Okay, so if you see here in the bottom, frame 1, 2, like that it is there. See, all these are frames which you see 30, 31, 32. See here. So now frame number 1, there is a key. Now frame number 70, there is a key. Frame number 120, there is a key. 120, there is a key. Like that it is. Okay, using holding Alt and right mouse button will allow you to zoom in, zoom out like this. Okay. So now I want to check. This is 1, this is 2, 3. Now, if I'm selecting like this, okay, let us select individually like this. 1, manually you select. Okay, one after the other. It has to come like this. In an order you have to select. Okay. Now, if you notice here, so in an order it is there, right? In an order. Now what I'll do, the movement, manually you can move here and there, this one. This is there, no? So what you can do, you can select individually. With middle click, you can move. Okay, you have to press W. With middle click, you can move. So what I want is, I don't want everything to fall at once. I want these elements to fall individually. One I place here, one I place, select this. With middle click, you can do. Okay, select this. You have to select this, just place it like this. So due to this, what happens? Uh, there will be a randomization. All the text, all the type, it won't fall, at once. So there will be a randomization of animation. So this is what is expected. Okay, now let us see. I'll just minimize. So when I move the keys in dope sheet automatically, these are the changes happened. Now let's see. till 70 it will fall down, right? Now play. Got it? See,
Yes.
there is a randomization, right? Okay. Now I'll open dope sheet again. Now here, after this, what I'll do, 70, there's a key, right? 71, I'll give one more key because from 71, you have one more key here. Now this what I'll do, move this, let there be a randomization. Got it? Is it simple? Means it is quite simple only. Don't get confused. Okay. Any doubts are there?
No, sir.
No, no, sir, that makes sense.
I'm selecting individually. I did like this. Okay. Now let's see how does this looks. Okay. Okay. What I'll do, view, select camera. I select this, right click, delete. I don't want this. I don't want the view. Let us see how does this looks now. See now. Okay. Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Okay. Fine. Try this. This is one output. Okay. Let's do one more example. Okay. Now, very interesting thing I'll show you one. One curve is, one ball is there, sphere. I duplicate this, lift little bit up, make this thing smaller, shift D, shift D. Okay. Now I select all this. I select all this. I'll call you after some time. Okay. So frame number 1, you key this. Frame number 20, you key this here. Frame number 30, little bit back, key S and key. Okay, like this. Then after that, frame number 50, key this, not here, key this. Okay. See, this is the type of animation has been done. See again. Got it? This is a very
Yes.
interesting one. This is the type of animation I have done. Now what I'll do, I have to select like this, one after the other individually. From bottom you select, open dope sheet. This is what you get. So now just make it like this. I'm not doing randomly here. I move this like a sequential. Okay, one after the other I move. This is another example. Okay, now what happened, let's see. Got it? See, observe carefully what we are able to achieve. It's like a tail. See, second reaction. We are getting a second reaction or follow through like this. Okay. So now, my, okay. So then after that, what I'll do is select it manually like this. Open dope sheet. Then again here, select this. Okay. Then after this, I have to do this also. Let me just see. Okay, I was talking in mute. It's okay. Okay, any doubts? Do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. We have to select this like this only. Okay. Then only you can do this level of animation. But if you select this, just drag and select, if you do that, you cannot move things properly. Okay. So make sure you are selecting sequentially, that is in an order, and you animate. Animation is also very simple in this. And we get a beautiful output. See, very clear tail animation. Okay.
Yes.
Okay then. Okay, you try this. There are two type of animation. One is text animation we have done. Another is this animation. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so you complete this and you share me, video. Just do a play blast. Okay. Just do a play blast, and you can share me the video. Okay.
Okay.
So what you can do, you can create a city of people. Assume this is the way people travel. This is one kind of living thing. In it's kind of an alien like that you can make, and a lot of people are traveling in a city, means on a street, something like that you can create. Just do that, it will be funny. We can you can use this for your showreel as well. Okay,
Okay.
fine guys. I have a hard stop now,
It's,
so you
sir.
just, yeah, Lamini, tell me.
Wait, sir.
Now, what I was saying is, you create a simple street or anything. Assume this is one alien, like this, big alien, smaller alien, like that. Okay. So when they walk, they follow
Okay.
this trial, right? Like this, you can maintain. There is one signal, traffic signal is there. These people has to go, they have to stop. Then only you get this kind of output. Then after that, they have to travel faster. Okay. So speed variation
Okay.
you give so that it looks good. Okay.
Okay. Wait, sir, I have a question.
Yeah. Tell me.
For the SEM3 show reel, is it just VFX and modeling
For which one?
for SEM3?
SEM3 is, yeah, VFX part is there and basics of 3D is there. But actually, I have covered more in
Okay.
modeling. For you guys, I have covered more. In the SEM4, what I'll do in detail, I'll do even modeling, female model, some creature or a giant character, something like that we will create. Okay. And um, let's
Okay.
let's see what we can do. Okay. Even texturing also will be detailed, lighting
Okay.
detailed. You will be having more and more session for texturing, lighting, and more and complicated thing. You will do rigging as well. You are gonna learn rigging as well. Okay.
Okay.
Fine then, guys. Okay, I have an hard stop now. So you let me know if you have any doubt. I'll share this video. Okay.
Okay.
Do,
Thanks, sir.
do this two example. And I think
Okay.
for your exam, I think this is enough. Whatever I have covered, it's a bit more only. You just go through the presentation part and let me know if you need any other session. If you want Saturday, I can take. But anyhow, next Thursday is your exam. Be prepared. Okay. Or else if you want, I can take on
Okay.
Tuesday as well. But if you want to practice, you practice. I'm okay with that.
Okay. Wait, sir. Do you know what the exam will focus most on?
Mm,
Because like SEM2 had a lot of um audio and audio editing. So
you
do
have,
you know what software?
okay, I'll tell you. Audition, Anyhow, Audition Premier, it means you have written on the last sim only, right?
Yes.
Okay. Have you written audition exam and premier exam in the last sim?
Yeah, we did that
Okay.
last semester.
Okay, then focus on Apex and but anyhow, the presentations which I have shared, PPTs which I have shared, that covers video editing as well. Just go through those PPT. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Hmm?
Okay, thanks, sir.
Yeah, thanks, Laman. Okay, bye. Welcome.